Welcome to the Stat Tree video module for Categorical Descriptive Statistics. After collecting and scoring your data, the next task is summarizing your data. This video will cover just the categorical descriptives, such as summaries of race or gender, and any other variables on your survey which are measured as nominal. You will need one categorical variable in order to run this test. In looking at the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey, demographic question B is categorical with 4 nominal values. This will be the variable we will use for our demonstration. With the PEVS dataset open in Stata, you would choose race as the independent variable. To calculate descriptive statistics for this variable in Stata, type in the following code in the command box. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module. If you've already saved your code, open the Do File editor and browse to the location of the file. Select the code. Now press the Do icon. Stata will generate an output in the results window with the requested information. To see what this output looks like, press the Output button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module.